How to say goodbye to eye bags and dark circles naturally. Hey there, today we're tackling a common beauty concern that many of us face, those stubborn eye bags and dark circles. But fret not, because I've got some natural solutions that will leave you looking and feeling refreshed. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're getting enough quality shut-eye. Sleep is your best friend when it comes to banishing those pesky dark circles. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night to give your body the chance to rejuvenate. Next up, let's raid the kitchen. Some everyday ingredients can work wonders. Grab some chilled cucumber slices or brewed tea bags, and place them over your eyes for a few minutes. The cooling effect can help reduce puffiness and refresh your under-eye area. Now, let's talk about the power of facial exercises and massages. Try gently tapping the area around your eyes with your fingertips to stimulate blood flow. Also, consider incorporating some simple facial yoga exercises into your routine to help tone the muscles and improve circulation in that area. Lastly, don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. Dehydration can make your skin look dull and accentuate those dark circles. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on water regularly to maintain that healthy, glowing skin. There you have it, my natural remedies for saying goodbye to eye bags and dark circles. Remember, consistency is key when trying out these methods. Give them a shot and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. For more beauty tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and keep shining.